And I have the right.
I'm very disappointed that you won't stand up for my civil rights and tell these guys to back off as a city manager. I'm giving you the opportunity to do that right now. Stand up and listen to me. You're the city manager. Listen to me. You're the city manager. Tell these guys to stand down and back off.
I will tell. They will follow the law, the city ordinance, and I don't interfere with that.
What's going on?
I just talked with my lieutenant,
yes,
and I told him that you were out here having a great debate with our city mayor. And he told me we're not finna have that kind of stuff go on in the city of Moultrie. So you put your sign down, turn around, and place your hands.
Okay, I'll leave then.
No, you're gonna place your hands behind your back. You're being locked up for disorderly conduct.
Mr. Marcus, this is the Chief of Police, Sean.
Hey, how you doing,
Good.
Jeffrey?
My name's Jeff.
Good to see you, man.
All right.
Did they understand why you explain to you why you're being arrested?
Yeah, they're violating my right to free speech.
Okay. Well, you do have free speech, but not when it has profanity on it. But as far as protesting, all you have to do is go up to the city manager's office, and you can file for.
So you're the chief. Look. Yeah, this is well settled. What I'm doing, what I was doing out there, is the most basic, vital, and well-established liberty that Americans enjoy. It's the day before Independence Day, and you guys are arresting me.
That's awesome. Yeah.
So
anyways, so what I was going to tell you was, so you'll know next time, so there won't be any confusion. I mean, as far as your protesting goes, is you can go up and apply for a permit, and then the city manager approves it, and then you can protest wherever.
Okay, well, I'm going to give you a chance while you still have your qualified immunity to stop this arrest and let me go.
Okay.
Because if you don't, you're going to lose your qualified immunity.
Okay, that
you have a chance
great,
right now to walk away with your qualified immunity intact.
Sounds good, man.
If you take me to jail, it's gone.
Okay. All right, so for you.
Okay.
If we can't do it the right way, we'll do it our way. If we can't do it the right way, we'll do it our way. If we can't do it the right way, we'll do it our way.